Daytime parties are now a staple of Jamaica's entertainment scene, but this evening we hear from stakeholders about whether that could be at risk due to increased temperatures. We have the details in this report.
Jamaicans' appetite for daytime entertainment events is growing. Stakeholders say the benefits of day events such as brunches outweigh nighttime parties.
More parties are moving to the daytime. It's just more practical, you know. It affects people's lives less in terms of the noise, and also it allows you to, engage more with different type of audience.
Yeah, I think they bring out a lot of people because it's daytime. You ain't got to worry about too much stuff. You can have fun, and then you can still be home when it's time to go to bed.
But there is an emerging risk. Jamaica is experiencing some of its hottest days on record. People who go to these events are at risk of heat-related issues such as heat stress. We observed the different methods partygoers use to stay cool, from hats with built-in fans to cardboard fans or tiny paper fans and electrical fans.
You gotta make sure you have a good fan, you charge the fan. As far as the makeup for the ladies, you need a good setting powder and hydration.
The heat at day events has also given rise to new business ventures. Barry Groves operates Breezeland Jamaica and rents fans to patrons at $4,000 Jamaican dollars each.
Because of the changes in the climate and so forth, unfortunately, the heat is a problem, and we saw that as an opportunity to solve that problem for patrons who still want to enjoy themselves in the day by offering them a cooling solution.
People actually rent it and like it?
Yes, people are, the women especially. Most women nowadays, they want to keep them face, they want to keep them, them face beat while them out and them taking them pictures. And this is a perfect solution for it.
Tariq is a fitness instructor. He shared some simple tips to beat the heat at daytime entertainment events.
When you go in events that's in the day like these nice premium events, make sure you drink a lot of water. But I normally do when I come out, I put sunscreen. So I'm going to lay the first sunscreen. If you're brown like me, put on your sunscreen, people, rub down your body with sunscreen.
Many of these daytime events start at 2 p.m. So for this physical trainer, stamina and hydration are also key.
You want to use up your cardio machine and you don't forget your strength training. So if you have your classes them and your gyms, then make sure you go your work, make sure you get your aerobics classes. One thing about fitness 24/7, when you do them the classes, guys, it builds up the stamina if you can indoor longer. It is hot, that is one of the reasons you want to drink more water. Two, you don't want so much sugary beverages in your system. Nothing wrong with having a little dibble in there, but be moderate with the sugar intake. So most of the time, fun time like these people just drink and put on the weight, But at the same time, for just your health reasons, you want to put in water if you can flush out that naturally through your body.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.